EaseUS Data Recovery. Wizard 18 is a powerful data recovery software designed to help users recover lost, deleted, or formatted data from various storage devices, including hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, and memory cards. Its user-friendly interface and intuitive design make it accessible to users of all skill levels, allowing them to quickly and easily recover their data. The software supports a wide range of file types, including documents, photos, videos, emails, and more, ensuring that users can recover nearly any type of data they might have lost. One of the standout features of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard 18 is its advanced scanning technology, which includes both quick and deep scan modes. The quick scan mode can quickly find recently deleted files, while the deep scan mode thoroughly searches the storage device for more difficult-to-recover files, ensuring a higher recovery rate. The software also includes a preview feature that allows users to view recoverable files before restoring them, making it easier to identify and select the files they need. EaseUS Data Recovery. Wizard 18 also offers additional features such as disk cloning and data backupping, providing a comprehensive data management solution. The software supports both Windows and Mac operating systems, making it versatile and widely compatible. Regular updates and a responsive customer support team ensure that EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard 18 remains a reliable and effective tool for data recovery. Overall, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard 18 is a powerful and user-friendly solution that provides a high success rate for data recovery, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to recover lost or deleted data.